For your information, ladies and gentlemen, once the key has been given by the proper authorities, then we'll leave our assembly area. We need to keep everybody here and know that you're safe. Your safety is our paramount concern.
I'm quite pleased actually. They're all wearing the uniforms. We know who they are. They were concerned about who are in the various groups, that we haven't missed anybody. And we're very pleased about this place of rescue or assembly point, because it's cool. The Salvation Army very kindly given us some water and drinks, and it's a good place to wait. Whether we're getting enough information as to what is really happening, that's something I question a bit, but it's a long time since we had a tsunami, seriously, so we will see. But on the whole, we've had a fire drill a few months ago, just before Christmas, so this is our second emergency practice. We were going to have a meeting and discuss a lot of things in connection with preparedness and training. So actually, in a way, I mean, obviously we hope nobody gets harmed by this tsunami, but it's a good practice for us. We're really going to pull our socks up and get ready for it, you know.